Morning, everybody. It's Dr. Kenton Wakes Up. I'm Dr. Kenton. It's raining outside. Today's Saturday, November 22nd, 2025. And the cup is Seattle's best coffee company, Portside, with Coffee Mate, of course. Very hot, very tasty. Today's Saturday. Saturday's ordinarily a day when I run errands and take care of things. Gonna be a little different today. It just is. Let's see. Let's work the wordle. So I mentioned it's raining outside, and it is. Ground's all wet. Dogs are upset about having to be outside. But this describes the day. Nope, I can't do it. Okay. Let's see, I've eliminated 2, 4, 6, 8 letters. I have one letter. Well, let's try to put that as the first letter. Four seems to be my typical number of solve attempts. Let's see what else is going on today. One of the things I've noticed, this is just offhanded, a non sequitur, as it were. I'm using the built-in mail app on Mac OS, and I have my sorry, this is about the calendar. Using the built-in Mac calendar app for my calendaring adventures, and I have my Gmail account subscribed and my work account. And my Gmail account over time has had a lot of different specific individual calendars. I had thought that most of them, when I was done using them or when they stopped being useful, I thought I had deleted them. But somehow the data still lives. And now I have, instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or so, I've got closer to 30 calendars from Google for my Gmail account. So, is that something a guy can hope to get rid of? All right, so I'm looking at the calendar. Doesn't look like there's anything on the schedule for today. I've got a couple of friends who have birthdays today. Surprised about how many people in my life had birthdays yesterday. So, as I said yesterday, if today's your birthday, happy birthday. All right, then. I hope you have a great Saturday. Love you. Bye.